Astronomy is arguably the first science. Ancients, captivated by the movement of the celestial bodies, gazed at the night sky not only to navigate their way through the terrestrial realm, but to understand the heavens and its creator. Islam is the last religious tradition that still relies on the stars to find the direction to the sacred, the sun to mark the times of the canonical prayers, and the moon to mark the months in a living lunar calendar. In this class, Sacred Astronomy, we will explore the motion of the heavens, not with sophisticated instrumentation, but with our own eyes. We will learn how the sun moves across the sky and casts its shadows. We will learn why the moon changes its shape over the course of a month, and then how to know when and where to look to find the new crescent moon. We will learn how to make and use an astrolabe, an ancient analog computer that models the movement of the stars and sun. Join me in this journey through the heavens and discover the mysteries of divine order. Welcome to Sacred Astronomy. My name is Youssef Ismail. Let's begin.